Make a great choice today with the 2023 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sunroof, hill descent control, bed liner, trailer brake controller, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.